Cleaning your motorcycle, at least a dirt bike slash dual sport like mine, you only really need two things: water and a sponge, maybe. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, so this is what I use: CT20 wash and wax. This is actually the same stuff they use at a truck depot to clean grime and grit. It's perfect for this thing because it's filled with grime and grit. Just to get your bike ready. Well, I did this. I took mine out for a nice ride. So it's nice and warm. That way the grime and grit gets off a bit easier. It's been about 2 years since I washed it. It's perfectly fine. You don't have to wash your bike every weekend. At least not my bike. Water crossings and riding in the rain, that's pretty much washing your bike anyway. Get her nice and wet. That's why I don't wash anything. It rains anyway. I just had to pay money to make it rain. The greaser in the parts where it gets really, really gritty. If you're spraying it liberally like I am, make sure it's one of the rubber safe ones. Can't find a bucket, but we're gonna throw this thing out anyway, so. Get about that much for a bucket's worth. Probably too much. Alright, so here's a part that's actually nobody else tells you about when you're watching one of these videos about cleaning a motorcycle. There's a real secret to it. What you do is you grab a sponge, Alright, now, people with a fancy fared bike, just gonna tell you, you need two buckets. One with clean water, one that you wash your sponge in. If you're riding a bike like mine, probably not giving a shit, let's be honest. This might look clean in about a minute, but it's going to stay that way for about 10 hours at best, because this I'm probably gonna go to sleep afterwards, take it out for a ride tomorrow morning, and then boom, it's all fuckered again. And now, that's it, squeaky clean. Probably a bit too much oil on the ground. Reckon I should be a little bit worried about that. It's way too much oil for looks like it's coming around the front tire area. Ooh. Oh well. Anyway, that's it. Cheap as truck washing liquid. CL14, no, CT20. That was $50 and I've been using it for many years. And I have a feeling that my grandchildren will still be using it. Because you need like that much just to wash your bike real quick. But just gotta let her out to dry. Squeaky clean. Probably asking yourself why you watch this. To be honest, I'm kinda wondering the same damn thing. Beats reading a forum post, I guess.